Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is completely dedicated to Team C's and their mission to raise $30 million by the end of the year to remove 30 million pounds of trash from our oceans. I am a huge advocate for this and I absolutely love this mission, so I wanted to make this video to help support this cause. And while I might be a small YouTuber in comparison to the multiple behemoths that are undoubtedly going to make a much larger contribution, I figured every small effort counts. And so here I am with a Team C's themed banner for your social media channels. Now, all of these will be available for download in description in both a Photoshop and PNG formats. And if you could please consider supporting the Team C's cause, you will see a donation bar on the right. If that isn't there, then the website is also going to be linked in the comments and you'll also be able to contribute there. I believe all revenue from this video is also going to be going towards the Team C's efforts. And even if you cannot support Team C's with monetary goods, then please at least consider using these banners on one of your social media platforms and help spread the word of Team C's in general. And of course, hashtag Team C's. So without further ado, let's get right into how you can use these banners. Well, I'll say how you can use. It's pretty straightforward. Just upload it to any of your social media platforms like you would any other banner. There isn't really much editing needed. I mean, yeah, nothing really comes to mind. I suppose the PSDs are just in there so you can figure out how I actually did it myself. If you do want to go into editing it, I'm using Adobe Photoshop. This is a paid software, not free. I believe it's around $20 a month if you go for the photography plan. I'm paying 25 or is it 30 for the entire suite just because I have a student discount. But the entire suite at 60 is not really worth it in my opinion if you're just a hobbyist. But this is Photoshop, completely paid, not free. But if you want a paid alternative, that works just as well for at least the vast majority of stuff. Then a great website is called Photopia. This will let you do all of the same edits that I'll be doing or that you would need to do. And yeah, just about the process is pretty identical. So I think that's all I really wanted to say. I hope you choose to support Team C's and what they're doing, and if not, at least spread the word however you can. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video and you are looking forward to, and I'm especially looking forward to seeing what other creators do for Team C's. Other than that, I hope you have an awesome day.